Hi everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब? तो टुडे इज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ द पिंक्स हब और जहां मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी वेरी स्पेशल एपिसोड फॉर द गर्ल्स आउट देयर। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ ये एपिसोड में अबाउट द मेंस्ट्रुअल कप, उसके क्या बेनिफिट्स है, उसके क्या इश्यूज है, क्यों यूज करना चाहिए, कैसे यूज करना चाहिए। ये बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो रहेगी, बने रहना वीडियो के साथ है। मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये कंपनी का, ठीक है। तो ये जो कप है मैंने काफ़ी मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 ईयर बैक परचेज किया था अमेजोन से ऑनलाइन, बट देन फॉर सम रीज़न आई डिड नॉट यूज़ इट। एक दो बार सामने भी आया बट आई स्टिल डिड नॉट यूज़ इट। मैंने ये कभी यूज़ नहीं किया और आई जस्ट फिनिश माई पीरियड साइकिल और मैंने सोचा मैं आपके लिए भी क्योंकि ये मैं सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रही थी और फर्स्ट एपिसोड के लिए क्या करूँ वो सोच ही रही थी। तो वाई नॉट अबाउट दिस, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी स्पेशल एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द गर्ल्स आउट देयर। इट इज़ फॉर एवरी women. So the cup is very convenient as far as I experienced, my first experience as I share. तो मुझे पता है कि आपके मन में पहले क्या चल रहा होगा, whether it is safe, it is easy, it is comfortable or is it affordable. All these questions I am going to answer. मैंने लिया है सिरोना का पैड फ्री पीरियड्स टाइटल मेंस्ट्रुअल कप। मुझे ये ऐसे मिला था, अब यू विल फाइंड। तो इसमें ऐसे आता है, ये बॉक्स है। अगर मैं इसको ऐसे ओपन करती हूँ गर्ल, तो ये ऐसे एक पर्पल कलर की पोटली में आया है जो सिल्क की है। यू कैन सी दैट, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। और इसको मैं ऐसे अगर ओपन करती हूँ तो अंदर मुझे ये कुछ ऐसी और पैकेट में मिल रहा है और ये है मेंस्ट्रुअल। आई होप इट इज विजिबल क्लियरली टू यू गाइस। और अंदर से कुछ ऐसे, तो ये जो है कुछ ऐसी बेल शेप में आता है एंड इट इज वेरी सॉफ्ट। यू कैन सी, you will find in other colors also. I like the pink more, so I just ordered in pink colors. So soft medical grade silicone, so you can be tension free. There is no compromise with your health, girls. Paid video नहीं है. This is my honest experience. I use it for the first time and henceforth I'm sharing my own experience. I said कि आपको वो वरी करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कि whether it is any compromise with your health. No girls, it is a safe. So first query is check how to use it. Is it easy to use? Yes, it is absolutely easy. Maybe 1 or 2 attempts or maybe 1 cycle. The first cycle you will feel it little difficult. It is difficult because we will be nervous. We will be having a lot of for 1 or 2 days. I also face a lot of problem, but then like once I started using it, I got comfortable and it's very very easy. Okay, first you girls be comfortable, relax. Okay, relax your labia. Okay, what is labia? I hope everybody knows. If you do not know, please check out. There are so many videos on YouTube, and if you still want me to reply, please comment down. मैं आपको next video में उसकी explanation कर दूँगी या इंस्टा पे भी आपको reply दे दूँगी, ठीक है। Please follow on Instagram with the same ID ashi_jnt. So how to use it? This is a cup. Okay, so how you have to fold it. Okay, I will show you the 2 types of method to use. You need to sit in a squat position on the floor, I would suggest, okay, in your bathroom, and make sure you are having access to the private washrooms. It is convenient and comfortable. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है, ये जैसे ये कप है इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है, ऐसे, ठीक है। फोल्ड इट लाइक दिस एंड देन फोल्ड इट लाइक दिस. Okay, fold it like this. So this is the first method. Your opening of the vagina. This is the cup which you have folded. Put it inside like this. Okay, press gently, press inside, push it inside like this, and this is how you will get the pop sound. Second fold you can do is, this is actually I found this fold is more convenient. So what you need to, you have to hold one corner of the cup. Okay, press it inside, and this is how it will be. So it's easy girls. Okay, so don't get scared. Now this is your vagina opening. Okay, now again push it inside, and here This will be a little harder once for the first time, okay, but once you wash it every time in the warm water, it will be a little softer, and then it's more easy. So when this cup opens inside, it will give you a little pop sound. Okay, you need to always push until it's not set. Okay, for the initial period of time, you will find a little difficult. Don't get afraid, and don't get afraid. Whether it's affordable, absolutely yes. And if you're using a sanitary pads, how many packets do you use in a one cycle? Okay, calculate the amount of all 5 days or 6 days or 4 days. Okay, and then tell me for the 1 year. And then this, my girls, so as far as like I remember, my girls, I purchased this within 450. Okay, I don't remember now because I purchased this long back. So the rates will be a 500, and if you go for a higher some brand, then it will be within a 600 or 650. Okay, so it is very affordable, and you can use these for a straight 10 plus years. Here it is given more than 12 years. The manufacturing expire date has more than 12 years mentioned, but let's consider 10 years. Then also it is very, very affordable, co-friendly, so it is so safe. Was this comfortable inside? Of course, don't get scared. You will thank me later. Is available in 3 sizes. So check your size, and it's a leak proof. Okay, it is orderless, like you won't have an order like pads, which generally there will be an order, okay, that will be disturbing and irritating us throughout the day if you go to school. If you're using this, there is no order, there is no leakage, and you can dance, you can walk, you can jog, you can swim, and you can sleep, and you can be attention free for complete 8 to 10 hours, depends on, of course, your flows. I will show you another method. Once the cup is folded like this, this kind of bottle, it's a vagina, and here I'm pressing inside. So there is no question of leaking now. See, I'm forcing this, you can see this, the stem, but it's not coming out. Once you want to remove this again, this is the stem. Okay, little slowly you twist the cup, and if your finger and your thumb is reaching the base of the cup, okay, you gradually little press, so the suction of the cup and vagina will be little release, and you can slowly pull it out. You can slowly pull this out. You can just this throw in your commode, in your toilet, and wash this in warm water. Okay, so in warm water, not so. This is what, girls. So I'm happy using this. आपको ये वॉश कैसे करना है? तो गर्ल्स, आपको ये यूज कैसे करना है? तो मैं जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, टेक वन, ओके, बॉईल द वाटर, ओके, अप टू द lukewarm, a little warmer. Place this in like hot water bowl. Okay, take that water in one bowl, and then like pour this for 10 minutes, and you can reuse it, or you can store it again in this polythene, and you can, this is how, again you can store, you can keep it in your bag, absolutely fine. You can store in your cupboard or anywhere. Like I personally have one extra bowl kept in the bathroom, especially using for this, because you know, like safety and hygiene purpose. So you can also do that. And I just what this is reusable, girls, so it is 100% affordable, comfortable, safe, and easy to use. Will be tension free because there will be no rashes, okay, no leakage. Do let me know the next topic if you want me to talk to you on my channel. I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.